Do you want 2025 to be the year you finally take control of your success? In this video, I'm sharing 6 powerful habits that will completely transform your approach to achieving your goals. From goal setting to boosting your productivity, these habits will set you up for massive growth. Stick around because habit number 5 is a total game changer you won't want to miss. Let's start with annual goals. Many people get lost in the day-to-day grind without thinking about the bigger picture. Without a clear goal for the year, progress can feel slow. Sit down at the start of the year, define your top 3 to 5 goals and break them into smaller, achievable steps. A couple of years ago, I felt like I was working hard but not making real progress. Then I set clear goals, broke them into smaller tasks, and everything changed. It was a game changer for me, and I haven't looked back since. Again, let's talk about weekly reviews. It's essential to reflect on your progress to stay on track. A quick weekly review helps you assess what's working and what's not. Set aside 30 minutes each week to review your goals. Reflect on what you've achieved and make adjustments where necessary. For me, weekly reviews became a game changer when I realized I was falling off track mid-week. Now, I do them every Sunday night in a calm, quiet space. This helps me refocus and stay on course. Next is the morning manifesto. Starting your day intentionally can set the tone for everything that follows. Take 5 to 15 minutes each morning to jot down things you're grateful for and set clear intentions for the day. I used to jump straight into emails and tasks, but taking just 5 minutes to reflect in the morning changed everything. It made me more focused and my days became more productive. Focus logs are a powerful way to track your time and identify distractions. The more aware you are of where your time goes, the more productive you become. Track how much time you spend on different tasks. This will help you spot distractions and adjust your focus accordingly. I was shocked when I saw how much time I wasted on things that didn't align with my goals, but after tracking my focus I made simple changes that boosted my productivity dramatically. Here's the game changer: standing order social events. Regular socializing can have a major impact on your success. I wasn't networking enough, so I began scheduling monthly meetups with like-minded people. Those meetups have led to incredible opportunities in both my personal and professional life. Social events aren't just for fun, they're investments in your future. Finally, let's talk about multimodal multitasking. This is about combining productive activities that don't interfere with each other. I used to think multitasking was ineffective, but combining tasks like listening to podcasts while walking allowed me to stay active and learn new things. It was a total game changer. To wrap up, these 6 habits, from setting clear annual goals to socializing regularly, will set you up for success in 2025. Incorporate these into your routine, and you'll achieve more than you ever thought possible. Which of these habits will you start implementing? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to make 2025 their best year ever.